Yes, well, tonight's Super Rugby Pacific qualifying final between the ACT Brumbies and Hurricanes has just switched from dead rubber to do or die, with the winner advancing to the semis and the loser going home. Through bodies to place it beautifully for Royard. Cameron out the back. Away beautifully for Ruben. Love untouched. And the Canes score first. Opening score here. Love drawing it back. Sent it in the middle of the maul to Alima at the back. Still driving. There's a try in there. Who's got it? Not Alatoa. Is it Pollard? So it's penalty advantage time here for the Hurricanes. 30 back, good hands again. Oh, it's lovely out of the hands from Umaga Jensen. Now Love out to Fine Unga Nofa. Oh, that is so good from the Hurricanes. They've still got the penalty advantage here. The ACT Brumbies, they want to ice it now though. Hooper. Great defence at the moment from the Hurricanes, but the Brumbies have found a way through. Through Frost. Pollard slips back. In come the backs. Feliua in tool. Pollard, when does he go? Now he goes, and in he goes! And the Brumbies take the lead. Lolasio looking for the extras. Oh, he has absolutely pumped that one through. And at the turn in Canberra, it is the home side who lead the Hurricanes. The score 21-14. Valentini, infield for Tom Wright at top pace. Wrighty's over again.
Oh, it's an absolute special.
Combine to get within 5. Now Flanders.
Tackle release.
Flanders for the Canes. 4 short. Short side they go. Oh, the line is magic. It doesn't get any better than that. Valentini's low, so's Hooper. Now Slipper. James Slipper. The props are having a party in Canberra.
Well, the 2 bookends, James Slipper and Alatoa. That's how you do it.
Conversion, good, perfect from the seed tonight.
Depowers that Hurricanes.
Oh! Back off White.
Good compete from the Canes, they've got it back. They go through the hands. Flanders just short of the posts. Shields now. Karifi with an excellent charge. He gets within 2. Asking more questions now. The Hurricanes barreling forward. Are they over? They're over. Have they got it down though? No.
Time off.
Nick,
Yes.
he grounds the ball when he goes to in goal. You're going to need to award the try.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.
Goddard takes a little look at the clock. 10 seconds to go. The Hurricanes desperate for a turnover. We hit full time. Goddard sends it back. Lolasio kicks it out, and the Brumbies kick on to the Super Rugby Pacific semi-finals. But they will come away with the win. Andy Muirhead is off to Hamilton with the rest of his side. It's the Chiefs Next up,